Hi there, it's Pat Williams from TKO Policy Guides. Today I'm going to show you how you can do bulk or manage bulk reviews of your documents. So let's get into it. So we're in our TKO system, and before we go to the bulk reviews, I'll just show you the way you can individually set them in the front end like this. So let's say we go to a document and we scroll down to the bottom of the document. You'll see this section here, and you'll see on this particular occasion that this document has been set a review date of April 30th 2021, and if we click on that link it'll pop up and we can actually alter that date if we wish, and we also can allocate the reviewer. And you can, by the way, you can do multiple reviewers. This one's already set, so I won't change anything there, but I just wanted to show you how you can do this individually just by going to each document like that. But there is another way where you can manage it in a more of a bulk sense. So if we come up here to the Pages menu and then we go Documents Due for Review, now this will show you a list of all your documents that are due for review or haven't been set for review. And by default it always sorts them in order of next review date, and it always has the furthest one out as the top of the list. For instance, the furthest document for review out is October 10th 2021, and as you go down the list it's getting closer and closer to today's date. Also, by the way, while you're here, it's probably a good idea to actually set these to something more comfortable so you can see more than just 10 in your listing. So as we scroll down, you'll see that all these are in blue, meaning that these documents have had their review date set. And by the way, you can change these as we are here just by clicking on this. This brings up that familiar dialog that we had before, and from here you can change the review date, or you can actually even do the review just by clicking on do review and confirm that you've done the review. I won't do that now. But as we go down, you'll see the ones that are in red, and that means that their review date has not been set. So visually you can see which documents that you need to set. So you simply click on the document and then you just set a review date and set who's going to do it and then save. And that's simply as it is. So that's all you need to do to visually manage the process of seeing them in bulk and seeing which ones have not been set. While you're in this screen, by the way, you can actually view these documents simply by clicking on the link or the edit link, as you can see, and over on the columns to the right you'll see the ID. You can see when the document was created, you can see when it was last modified, the type of document, the author of the document, when it was last reviewed, and who and by. As I said, it's very sort of simple kind of tabular display of all the features of that document so that you can quickly set review. So that's all I got for you at the moment, and I hope that helps. Cheers, bye.